Hello and welcome to this review of the Neato Botvac series of robot vacuums. This purchase has undoubtedly been the most impactful tech purchase I've made in the last 12 months, and if you've been looking for a sign to jump into the world of robot vacuums, this video should absolutely be that sign. And I've put some links in the description for when you reach the point in this video where you realize that you really do need one of these in your life. The reason this vacuum has been so impactful in my day-to-day cleaning is due to three main things about Neato vacuums in particular. Number one is their thoroughness. I hadn't moved my couch literally in months before buying this vacuum, and now it gets cleaned under at least twice a week. Number two is their efficiency and intelligence. These things are getting smart, and I'm going to go through some of these features later on in the video. But the most impactful reason, which is where we'll start, is the convenience of owning a device like this. I'm about to show you my weekly house cleaning routine that I do 2 times a week, which only takes 2 minutes each time. Ready? I start by wiping down all surfaces with a wet cloth, brushing any crumbs directly onto the floor. This includes dusting any small parts, and the whole process normally takes around a minute. Next, I put up the 4 bar stools around my kitchen island and roll up the long shag carpet in my living room. And then I simply walk out the door and head to the gym. That's all, 2 minutes twice a week. Because when I leave for the gym each Tuesday and Friday, this little guy has the whole place to himself and jumps straight into action. He crawls out from under his home, which is the ottoman near the front door of my house, and proceeds to go from room to room, cleaning every single speck of dust he can find. And when I get home from the gym, he's sitting exactly where I left him, but every single piece of dust and hair and dirt from the floor is magically gone. What a time to be alive. So it's all well and good that he was able to clean while I was gone, but how well did he actually do at cleaning the floors? The answer is equal to or better than I would have with a handheld vacuum. Neato's unique square front design allows it to get into any place that I would have with a square front vacuum. Notice that I said equal to or better than I would have with a handheld vacuum. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is where robot vacuums really set themselves apart for me. They go places that would require a lot more manual labor if using a regular handheld vacuum. For example, I'd have to pull this couch all the way out from the wall in order to get behind it. Neato, on the other hand, simply drives straight underneath and gets every little dust bunny and speck of hair that's hiding. On top of this, when he discovers a small obstacle, he seems to do this unique pirouette style maneuver to get every little piece of hair and dust that might be wrapped around the small object. What really surprised me is that he was even able to find the small gap on the far side of my bed, next to my dressers. Look how tiny this gap is. The moral of the story is, if the Neato vacuum can fit in the area, it'll clean that area. Finally, let's talk about how smart these vacuums are getting. I've watched this thing do a couple cleaning runs, and with each time it gets more efficient at cleaning the same space. It breaks your room up into small chunks, does its little pirouette maneuver around chair legs, and if you watch this sequence back a couple times, you can really see that it gets every single square inch of the space. When it's finished cleaning, it sends a map of exactly where it's been to your phone, and with this map you can do a couple extremely useful things. The most useful of which is a feature I'm sure you've all heard about, which is no-go lines. This feature is what finally made me pull the trigger on a robot vacuum, and it lives up to the hype. As you can see, I've drawn no-go lines for the mess of wires behind my couch, my speakers, my guitar, and my nightstand in my bedroom. And sure enough, the vacuum's never got entangled in the wires behind my couch, completely ignores my speakers, plays nicely with my guitar, and ignores the charging cables under my nightstand. In order to accomplish this, Neato vacuums use LiDAR, or a spinning laser array on top of the vacuums. Using LiDAR allows Neato vacuums to locate themselves even in a pitch dark room. Other major vacuums such as Roomba that use cameras rely on having the lights left on for them to clean properly. Could you imagine having to leave the lights on for your vacuum? That doesn't sound like the future to me. So if you determine that you're ready to make the leap into the robot vacuum world, I'd highly suggest taking a look at any of the robots in the Neato Botvac lineup. Again, I'll mention that I've left some links in the description below. If you have found this video useful, I'd greatly appreciate if you use those links as they're affiliate links and help me out a lot. And that's really it. I hope you guys have enjoyed listening to how this vacuum has helped me in my day-to-day life and learning how it could possibly help you in yours. I'll see you in the next video.